Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to share you one of my preview of my course. So what is the preview of my course means what are all the things are there in my course. So that's why I made this video. So for everyone purpose I can't explain. So nowadays the retail traders, those who are taking the course, they are asking me for, sir, give me demo, give me. I said, what is the demo, how it will work? And most of the retail traders have the doubt. So whether this course I have to take on, which course I have to take, whether it is profitable or not, and whether it is worth or not, like that they are, of course they are asking. So that's why I'm making this video. So don't waste the time. So this is a preview of my video. So what are all the things are there, I will explain. If you interested, after that this video, if you interested, you can directly join to my course details, and I will give you my contact details in the description. I will give you my WhatsApp number also. So don't waste time. Let's start. Let's start the course of the preview. Course of the preview. So okay. So so most of the retail traders are facing the issue in the stock selection. See, there are 5,000 stocks are there in the stock market. So in NSE and BSE. So you can't monitor all the stocks in every day, right? And even every time you can't, in intraday trading you can't monitor. So what I will use scan. If you are trader in Nifty and Bank Nifty, that is fine. So for stock purpose I will use whatever, I will use scans. So in Nifty and Bank Nifty also I will use scans. Okay. So if you are a working people, see, so many people, you can't monitor means you can go through the scans. What will they do scans? Wait, I will show you. So this is the one platform charting. Okay, so whenever you you input your whatever the parameters are there, here you can input. Okay, so this is the random. I don't have any, I have a certain parameter, I have a scans. For to show you roughly purpose, I will VWAP equal and greater than, and volume. So and you can give you another VWAP, another parameter. So I have certain parameters. We have something, you can run scan and it will give you stocks like that. If you want to give these alerts, you can create alerts directly, it will send you to your mobiles. Okay, and whatever you are giving these parameters, and you can check in a backtest also, you can save. And after that, see, I will save something. Okay, so I don't know what is okay, for roughly purpose I showed you. Okay, so and after that you can use backtested data. See, these are all backtested, and you can download the file, it will come. See, like that it will come. So these are all your backtested data. With the time it will give you. Okay, so that is not a matter. So this is the random trading trading method. Randomly, roughly I showed you. Okay, so I already created my scan, certain parameters. So what is the parameters? The parameters I'm not revealing. So I have manually, and certain parameters are there, so that's why I created. So these are all my alerts. So yeah, these are all Nifty medium bullish, very long. So alert for very long future, medium bearish stocks, like that I have scanners, and you can backtest it also. So I will show you that backtested data. So I will show you first Nifty medium bullish 4 hours. So, okay, I will show you that. Yeah, so whatever the parameters I inputted, so this is the backtested result. So in a 1 week only one trade I got in a Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that's why I will give you 4 weeks. Okay, so you can see last 3 months, and sometimes you can see it will give you 1 year backtested data also. So I will give you 4 months, and I will download it. So okay, we will see in the chart how it will work. See, so these are the trades I got, I triggers from my parameters. Okay, so 26/11/2020 12:30 given the signal for bullish. Okay, so I told you it is a bullish signal. Okay, so many people are spending your time for calls and tips and purpose. So learn yourself, put your input, whatever the parameters are then in chatting platform, and you can get alert from directly your mobile and messages. So why you are paying tips and all these things? So and it is a lifetime. If you learn the parameters on whatever the patterns are there, whatever the strategy is there, if you learn the strategy, you can directly go through, you can directly put in the charting and you can get alert from charting. Okay, so I already taken screenshot, so I will see one of 100 110. You can take your screenshot also, this screenshot, and you can back test it. So the time is also given, so from last 4 months time is also is there, and date is also is there, and nifty or bank nifty both as the, you can check whatever you can check backtested data. So and I will show you some of them. Okay, so 26/11/2020 12:30, let's see. So 26 November 12:30, so I will use 15 minutes. November 12:30. See, so this is the 12:30. Okay, 12:30. Okay, 12:45, 12:30 or 12:40 or 12:30. So the opening price is 12,867. Even it did not hit the stop loss because previous candle, this is my stop loss. Previous candle low is my stop loss. So your entry point is 12,867 and made high 30,052 that day. So almost you got 120 points in Nifty after 12 o'clock. So if you are an option trader, your money will be doubled. Okay, your money will be doubled in option playing. Okay, that is one thing is over. I taken a screenshot, I told you. Yeah, this is the screenshot. 26/11 Nifty is over. So now also 26/11/2020 Bank Nifty is also giving same signal. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both are same. So I am not seeing that one. So next one, 12 December 12 December 2 250. December 2, see this trade, fourth trade, December 2 215. Okay, December 2 215. We will see. Okay. Yeah. See, this is the chart of December 2 215. Exactly. See, from morning it is going down, 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 and exactly 2 215. Exactly 215 signal it came. See, now it is going up, right? Okay. So you can take the screenshot. So this is, you can take the screenshot and you can backtest it. So that is not an issue. So I am making this video 23rd December. So last given signal 18 to 12. So in a 4 week means it's given 17 trades. Okay. So now let's check the stocks. Okay. For stocks also I have a certain parameters. So that also I will show you. For stock, alert for very long future, I have this scanner for stock that is for Nifty. So this is for bullish stocks only. So I will show you that one also, and I will show you backtested data also. Yeah, this is for stocks. This is not intraday. Intraday I have other parameter scan also. So this is for long term. So it's not exactly long term. So you have to, sometimes you have to hold for 5 days, sometimes you have to hold for 10 days, like that. I have a certain exit conditions also. So this is the for stocks parameters. So this is the backtested results. I will download the CVV file. I will show you. Okay, so these are all the trades I got. Okay, so from last 8 months or 5 months something. So 8/7/2020, it's given the signal Dr. Reddy. So 8th date, 7th month, okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. July 8th, we have to see Dr. Reddy. We will see. Yeah. July 8th, we have to see Dr. Reddy. I will go day chart. See, July 8th. See, July 8th. 3831 opening price and made high 47. It's almost all 800, 900 points you got in a Dr. Reddy. If you are trading in an option, your money will be 10 times. Okay, so that is okay. So again, I will download and I will take the screenshot. See, those who want to check my strategy, but I can't show you all the stocks. You can take the screenshot. You can take the screenshot. So from 1 to 31, this is 1. You can take the screenshot. See, first you can take the screenshot 1 to 31. So and after that 32, 62, you can take another screenshot. And after that, see, today only it's giving the signal. Okay, you can take up to 22. Okay, you can take 23. That is not an issue. Take this screenshot also. You take this screenshot. I will repeat again. You take this first screenshot 1 to 31 trades. Take this one another screenshot and take another screenshot. Okay, so you take the screenshot, check as per the time. Okay, so the stop loss is previous candle low is your stop loss. Okay, so check and decide whether you have to select my course or not. Okay, so this is not intraday. I have other strategies also is there for stock. For Nifty and Bank Nifty, I have other scan. Okay, so many people are spending for tips like that, so many things, tips and what it calls like that. So my question is, my you have to ask for any mentorship pro any mentors. You have to ask him, sir, show me your backtested result. What is the strategy? You can hide your strategy and show me your entry point and exit point. Your what is whatever the things is there. Show me your backtested report. You can ask me. See, if he is showing a backtested report with 100%, you can calculate the success ratio. Okay, now also you can calculate my success ratio according to my parameter in position trade. And I told you in the Nifty also, both Nifty and stocks are given for you. You can back test and decide which course you have to select. Okay, so whatever my contact number I will give you in the description. Let me, if you interested, you can contact me directly and you can take my course. Okay, I will end here.